Cody step here. One of the hardest things to actually accomplish is creating well-crafted messages time and time again. We often find ourselves having to build templates, storing them lots of places, and inevitably, this quick hack ends up taking extra time. Well, in this clip, I'm going to show you exactly how Sam can help you build personalized messages that are stored in a succinct area and can be adapted using your writing style specifically for the person they're being sent to. It's a lot of fun, and it's going to prove to you how SAM is the right tool for you.
If you want to send like a template, like begin a template, and then you want to add also like the title company, the loan officer, the listing agent, the buyer's agent, and on the template, that's where you put all the information, right, on the transaction.
Yeah, so the template itself, so you could come in, let me just go into one of these templates here. Okay. So in the template itself, you can put in all the party member information, you know, here in this case, the seller transaction coordinator, the seller title, you can put all that kind of stuff in there as merge fields. If you are wanting to actually include them as part of getting the message, you could come down here and say, add to the recipients.
Oh,
and then
that's what okay.
Yeah, this is where you choose, who do I want to send this to? So here I can come here and I can say, I want to send it to another party member. Maybe I just want to CC them, and I want that party member type to be the buyer's title or whatever. You put that in, and then that then becomes another, which that's not a good example because we're actually sending to the seller, but you might say seller title there as opposed to whatever. But you get to choose what position in the email they are. Are they to? Are they CC? Are they BCC or whatever? And then which party member do they belong to? So now you can put in your banking stuff for your REO people. You can include them in there, and then whoever else needs to be included as well.
Okay, so you can add multiple recipients.
Actually, yeah, you can put as many different recipients as there as you want, and it just adds more. So you can go in there, you can add them by party member type. You can specify other contacts and pull a contact from the database. You can specify just a specific email address. Maybe you don't have them in your database, but it is a specific email that you want it to go out to. Maybe it's one of your team members that you want to send it to, or the record owner who owns this record, which is the account owner technically in this case. So you have the ability to put in as many different recipients of these emails as you want. It's just a matter of assigning the recipient piece here. If that person exists, then it will include them. If they don't exist, then it'll just skip them. If they're not in the party member list for that transaction. So the one key thing here, let's go back for what we're actually talking about here. Let me go to, I think, memory lane. I think I've got some stuff in here. We go into transactions, and then we'll go into party members. So here, in this transaction, it's got sellers, it's got buyers, it could have buyer agents, whoever is in this piece. It draws the information from this this area here to decide who's the person and who is their email address. That then gets included as part of the email that goes out.
With the power of personalization, clients are truly going to start to feel known and seen. And that's the power of SAM. If you'd like to see for yourself, go ahead and visit sam.workflowsecrets.info and click sign up. This will give you 14 days of free access, and you can start adapting and creating your own messages that are going to resonate with your people. I'd love to see how it's going to move the needle on your business, because I'm confident that when they feel that personal approach, they're going to jump at the chance to work with you even more. All you need to do is visit sam.workflowsecrets.info and click sign up to get started. I'll see you inside.